Hello children, hope that you all are fit and fine at home. I'm also fine. Today we are going to learn about water animals. We all know that in our country we don't have sea or ocean, but you know what? Our country is rich in natural beauty and we have the highest peak, Mount Everest, in our country. And for the water resources, we have rivers, lake and stream. We get different kind of fish in our country, but we can't see all the other beautiful and colorful, wonderful water animals. But don't worry children, I have made all those colorful water animals specially for you. So let's go and watch.
This is a starfish. It has a shape of a star. It does not have blood. It does not have brain. It cannot survive in fresh water. That's why they cannot be found in lakes and rivers like in our country. This is a crab. It walks sideways. That means it cannot walk straight like us. It has 5 pairs of legs. A pair of legs means 2 legs. We have 1 pair of legs, which means it has 10 legs. The first pair are known as claws. This is a shark. It does not have a single bone in its body, but it has very sharp teeth. Its teeth are usually replaced every 8 days. Its body is heavier than the sea. So, if it stops moving, it will sink. That's why sharks don't sleep as we humans do. This is an octopus. It has 8 arms. It has a hard beak like a parrot, which they use to eat shellfish. Do you remember what kind of beak does a parrot have? But it cannot be seen. Yes, children? An octopus has 3 hearts. We human beings have only one heart. This is a jellyfish. It does not have brain, heart, bones, and eyes. That's amazing, isn't it? It produces its own light. It does not need light like we need at night to see. That means it glows in the dark. Its mouth is found in the center of its body, from which it both eats and discards waste. This is a lobster. It has 3 stomachs and teeth in its stomach. See, children, we have teeth in our mouth, but they have in their stomach. It sounds unbelievable, right, children? It does not have brain. Its heart is placed just behind the stomach. Its blood is gray or clear in color like water. It can swim forward and backwards. This is a whale. Whales are mammals. It gives birth to its own kind. To breathe, it has a blowhole on the top of its head. It comes to the surface of the ocean to breathe. It cannot breathe underwater. And did you know? Blue whale is the largest animal. This is a goldfish. It can only survive in fresh water. That's why it is the most popular aquatic fish in the world. It has 2 sets of paired fins and 3 sets of single fins. It does not have teeth and instead crushes food in its throat. It is known for having large eyes and great senses of smell and hearing. This is a turtle. It has a hard shell that protects it like a shield. It has both upper and lower shells. It can also hide its head inside the shell when it gets attacked. Sea turtles have special glands which help remove salt from the water they drink. It acts as a filter. This is a dolphin. It has two stomachs. One is used for storage of food and the other is used for digestion. It never chews its food. It swallows it as a whole. They give themselves names. They develop their own individual whistles and recognize theirs and other dolphins' names. That's why they are very intelligent. They sleep only half their brain, which means one part of their brain remains alert and awake for them to breathe while sleeping. This is a prawn. It has a fan-shaped tail called telson. It uses its tail to steer through water. It can also swim backwards by flicking its tail. It has 5 pairs of legs, just like a crab. It has very long pair of antennae which it uses to sense its surroundings. This is a seahorse. It is a tiny fish that are named for the shape of its head, which looks like the head of, you guessed it? Yes, a tiny horse. Its body is covered in the tiny spiny plates all the way from its head down to its curled, flexible tail. To move forward through the water, it uses its dorsal fin. To move up and down, it adjusts the volume of the air in a tiny pocket inside their body called a swim bladder. It can look forwards and backwards too.